Welcome to MarineMax of Rogers. My name is Josh Simonson. I want to walk you through a brand new pontoon we just got in today. This is a Harris 250 cruiser. So the cruiser line, and it's a 25-foot pontoon. We got the nice midnight blue along the side here. This is a tri-tune. We come down to the back here, and you've got a nice swim platform back here. You can see the ski tow bar. And then with the 25-footer, we gave ourselves a little bit more horsepower. We got the 200 Mercury 4-stroke. So nice and quiet. This pontoon will give you enough power to do any sort of skiing, wakeboarding, tubing, or just hanging out. So let's go to the interior and take a look at the layout. All right, welcome to the interior. Again, 25-foot cruiser. This is what they call the CS layout. So we've got nice seating in the back. Because of this seating, we do have the safety chain area that you can hook up here, so when you are underway, you can sit back here legally. There's a cooler underneath that seat right there, and then underneath this seat we've got some nice storage. So you've got lots of room, and again on that side you got the nice drain cooler. And then as we come into the interior, you've got a nice walk through here. You've got nice seating all the way around. Under there's your battery switches. You've got some storage underneath the seats right here. I've got some storage underneath that seat. And then with our cruisers, we got the nice cup holders in there. And then there are a couple of USBs as well. So we come up to the helm here. We've got a nice upgraded steering wheel. We've got the captain's chair with removable armrests that go up and down. This does swivel, and it does go back and forth as well. So like I mentioned before, we have the 200 horse Merc, so you do get the digital throttle, so it's super smooth, and you have a push button start if you want to use it that way. We got our nice gauges up here, and then we did pick the Lowrance hook right there, so you've got your depth, and it is a little fish finder as well. JL audio, you've got four speakers in here with the JL audio head unit. We've got cell phone charger, wireless cell phone charger here, USB, 12-volt storage, and then being on a 25-foot pontoon, you've got plenty of space up here. We've got tons of room up here. You've got tons of room on this side, cup holders, removable cup holders, and then this nice, beautiful flooring. No more carpet in these pontoons, so it's a beautiful pontoon. We do have it here in stock, ready to be viewed. So come on down or give us a call and set up an appointment. We'd love to see you down here as soon as we can. Again, 250 cruiser from Harris.